The 2011 GX460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, navigation package, AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer, leather seats, sunroof, power mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.